Ah, my aching forehead, my aching head, my aching head, oh, my aching head, my aching head, my aching head, my aching head,
Meeting adjourned.
my aching head, my aching head, my aching head. Yeah, no, we're not watching my movie anymore.
It's gone! I can't believe it! The road is completely gone!
No.
Hang on, cowboy.
Instead, I'll be right back after these messages. No, 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 no. Instead, I'll be right back after these messages.
You alright?
No,
Thank goodness.
no, no. Instead, I'll be right back after these messages. No, no. Instead, I'll be right back after these messages. No, 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 no.
Perhaps you would respond to an alternative form. I think.
Great idea of talking. Moved.
No, instead, I'll be right back after you. I'll be right back after these messages. No water, just together. No, I'll be right back after these messages.
Anymore.
Got a staff meeting, you guys. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Woody, what's up with you?
What's up with you?
Well,
What's up with you?
obviously, I want to have my ice cream.
Woody?
Oh, what? What?
It's bogey flavored.
No, that's not the right copy. No, that's not the right copy.
I think
No,
meeting.
no, no, that's not the right copy. No, that's not the right copy. It has a different House of Playgrounds. I used to watch that show on TV.
Lockdown has been moved to today.
But that was a Christian house. Or was a Christian McQueen's house. Christian McQueen's house. Floating.
You
Floating.
guys think this is a big joke. I don't want any toys dying.
Sorry. Floating. Oh no, what's going on? No, not the gear, not gear, no, please don't go open the gate. Don't you dare open the gate. Do not open the gate. Whatever you do, don't open the gate.
Meeting adjourned.
Floating. A favorite 6-year-old one.
It's gone! I can't believe it! The road is completely gone!
Hang on, cowboy.
No. Good riddance.
You alright?
Thank goodness. I can't find
Alan.
my TNT.
Alan Thinkins.
Sure you will, Rex. Got you're a better pot thanks than Woody.
Alan Thinkins. I'll be right back after these messages.
Very good, Woody. That's using the old noodle.
I don't think Andy's gonna want those huts anymore. Got a staff meeting, you guys.
First lyrics is logo. Now Lionsgate logo.
Woody?
Oh, wait a minute. What's that sound? I'm gonna not the gears again. Not the gears again. Not the gears for a second time. Don't open the gate for a second time. Do not open the gosh darn gate. What do we do? No. Ah! Floating.
Awareness meeting was, I think, a big success, and we want to thank Mr. Spell for putting
I'll
that
be
on.
right back.
Thank you, Mr. Spell. Oh yes, one minor note here. The lockdown has been moved to today.
We released some new Bob movies.
We're supposed to have one already. We have to wash hands.
We released some new Bob movies.
Big joke. I don't want any toys dying.
Now
Now let's all relax.
we released some new Bob movies.
Delicious hot
We released some new Bob movies this year. Floating and this year and this month. Floating. Oh no, what's that noise? Oh no, not the gears for once again. Not gears for the third time. Don't open that gate for the third time. Don't open that for the third time. Ah!
I can't believe it. The road is completely gone.
Hang on, cowboy.
Thanks for warning, Alan. Thanks for warning, Alan. Thanks Thank you.
You all right?
Thanks, Alan. Thanks for warning, 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 Alan. See me?
Don't worry, Woody.
Give up?
I've got a great idea.
Give up? Give up?
Get out of here!
Perhaps he would respond to an alternative form. I think.
Great
Oh no,
idea.
not another top 90 video. No, not the. No, don't go on the passenger. No. What do we do? Don't open the gate. Do not open the gas try and get what we do. No. Ah! Loading. Silly. Silly.
Let's go.
Where are we going, Buzz? Not again. Not again. Not again. Oh, what's that noise? No, not the gears for the fifth time. What do we do? Don't open the gate. Do not open the gas jar and gate. What do we do? No. Ah!
Very good, Woody. That's using the old noodle. I don't think Andy's gonna want those huts anymore. I got a staff meeting, you guys. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Lose.
Well, obviously,
I know.
want to have my
I know.
team.
I know.
Woody?
It's bogey flavored.
I know. No.
Tuesday night's
No water, just the desert.
was, I think, a big
No.
success, and we
No.
want to thank Mr. Spell
No, excuse me.
for putting that on for us. Thank you, Mr. Spell.
Oh, what's it? Not the. Let's get it for the sixth time. Don't open the gate for the sixth time. Whatever you do, don't open the gate. Do not open the freaking gate for the sixth time. For the sixth time. No. Ah!
You guys
A couple
think this
weeks
is a
ago,
big
so,
job. I don't want any toys.
yeah,
Mom.
I got
I know.
And have a nice big ball of
Delicious hot schmoes.
No, Nick Jr. will be right back. No.
no buzz.
No. Just stop the music. Stop the music.
Meeting adjourned.
Oh no, not the gears for the seventh time. The seventh time. Not gears for the second time. Don't open the gate for the seventh time. Don't open the gate for the seventh time. No. Ah! Loading. Floating.
I can't find any pieces.
Floating.
It's not in Polly's room. We've
Loading.
looked everywhere.
Loading.
Don't worry, Woody.
Floating.
I've got a great idea.
Floating.